question that you asked me about your monster trucks? What was the question?
What?
About your monster trucks. You've rolled them from the ramp.
Yep.
And they both shot off, didn't they? And then you said to me, I wonder who went...
Tie.
No, you asked me something. You said, I wonder who went the...
Farthest.
Well done, sweetheart. So how are we going to find out?
It is a tie.
It's a tie, is it? Well, let's make sure. How are we going to make sure?
With this.
With the tape measure. Okay, baby, it's your turn next, isn't it? Right, so we are, Jaime.
Yes.
You know what to do. Hold the end by your monster truck. And we are coming to the first bit of the garage, and we have looked, and we know now that there are lots of numbers all over. All over, and so let's go with, where does the garage start? Wow! Jaime?
Yeah.
Who's that? Rainbow truck?
Yes.
210. Wow, 210. Right, take your end now to Milk Monster truck, who just got pushed out the way by the other Milk Monster. Right, that's it. And put the end by him. Wow. Put the end by, is he there?
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to follow the line. And, oh my word, look at that.
What?
It's 210 as well. So you are absolutely right. It's a tie.
Yes, it's a tie.
They both went the same distance off the ramp. That's incredible. You're so clever. Well, is it your turn?
Yeah.
Go on then, sweetheart. Okay, who have we got? Another Milk Monster going down the ramp, off to the left. Ooh. Take the tape measure, baby. Hold it by the end of the monster truck. We need to make this tape measure longer. Hang on. I can't do it with one hand. Hang on. That's it. Okay, back to Milk Monster, baby. Are you there? Let's have a look. It is 200 and... Wow, 235. Crikey. So, Emanoel's Milk Monster went even further than Jaime's.
Oh. I'm a monster.
Okay, so the lineup is getting quite impressive. We're back to Rainbow Truck, right?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, question to the table leg. Oh, another one. So I know, because I'm so clever, that they haven't gone further. Oh, Jaime's toes were in the way that time. And again, baby. Whee!
That is just amazing.
Oh, he went off the side. So did he. Guys, I can't keep up with you.
Wow!
Wow, that has to be the furthest, baby. Let's measure him. Come and get the end of the tape measure. Where is it? Where is it?
It was hiding
Okay.
from there.
Right, you hold the end. Yeah, and go and take it all the way to... It's Milk Monster again, isn't it? Okay. And I'll put this end on the garage. And we're going to find some numbers. By the red, it's, I would say, just here.
Oh, you're next to me.
292. Crikey, 292 centimetres.
Yeah!
He went the farthest so far.
He went under there.
Brilliant, guys. You're so clever.
Ah!
Emanoel, what was your clever idea you just had?
My big one wants to put down there. I put that, they come down there, and then...
Yeah, Emanoel has put... Who's hiding under the ramp? It is...
Crazy ball.
Crazy Ball. under the ramp. So we are extending our monster truck ramp activity. Okay? Have you bought me those monster truck cups now?
I'm not gonna let Emmanuel have my monster truck.
Well, sharing and caring. No?
No.
Where are my 4 monster trucks I asked for?
Mummy.
No. Is he having a frog moment?
No, man. Just loving of
Okay. Can I have a frog moment with Jaime? Sit down, please. Whoa, 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 whoa. Go behind my trucks, please. Right. Jaime, which monster truck is nearest to the garage? Wonderful. Okay.
That's mine.
Hey, you lent him to me for a while. Okay. Which monster truck is closest to the doors?
That one.
Okay. Which monster truck is nearer to Mummy?
That one.
Okay. And which monster truck is nearest to Baby?
That one.
Do you know another word for near?
Yes.
Go on then.
Dear.
Near dear. Now you're thinking rhyming words. That's a good rhyming word. Yeah? Near dear. Ear. Fear. When you're afraid of something. Beer. Alright, I was thinking another word for near could be close. Yeah? Close and near. Synonyms. They mean the same thing. Right. Signing out.
Please like this video and subscribe.
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 Wave.
Bye.
Bye.